Hi everyone, I'm here with another layout. This is a cut file from the January hip kit. That's what it looked like. Then I took those paper layers, those different colored papers, and I layered behind. So it looked like that, and now it looks like that. And so now I'm gonna get started on my layout. Okay, so my background is Paso cardstock. I'm going to use a peach pattern, which is Hip Kit Club String Bag, and then the gray polka dot, which is Scrap. But I want to say that that's from the same kit. And then I'm going to do some media on the background. I'm going to use 4 different colors and then some splatters. Alrighty. I'm just going to ink the edges. I just want some of the mixed media to poke out the sides. I just got up and almost halfway through my first cup of coffee. And before everyone wakes up, I want to get these voiceovers done. So I'm going to use a lot of florals on this page. It's outside and it's summer, spring. So it's perfect for this layout. I'm going to use this chipboard circle. There's a lot of frames in this kit and I always have a difficult time using them. So I'm just going to layer some chipboard stickers. I peel the back off because then it's too bulky. I'm just trying to decide, should I put a flower up there or what? trying to decide what else to use from there, because I found these stickers very hard to use. And there we go. To clean up my area and get ready to do my title. I feel like there's something that needs to go there, so I put a phrase sticker there. And I was going to try to use some bows, but I don't. And then, of course, the die cuts or chipboard stickers that I use are all Hip Kit from the string bag. So, and I am not going to use the stickers, alphabet stickers that came in the kit. I'm going to use what I have in my stash from old kits. I have like three full and one that so 4 drawers of these alphabet stickers that are left over from kits, whether I used it once or I used almost all of it, like this one here, this wood looking one. I wanted to use it since it's the forest. And then I wish I didn't use white because it blends in, but this is going to be fun in the fields and streams. I realized my letters are cooking. And so now it's just a matter of figuring out how and I mess with it quite a bit. That top of that eye just will not stick on. And of course, once I get my title on, that is all I do to this kid. See, font, it blends in, you can't really see it. have to use liquid glue to glue it down because it won't stick. And Theo makes his appearance. I was having an issue with these two. It's like, really? So I had to just go through each letter and add some liquid glue because they move. So the letters will definitely fall off. Alright, and that completes my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.